What's going on, yo? Bless you for tuning in on this week's episode. So yeah, today is Tuesday, and we just took our first trade for this week. So right now, I am selling USD card, and let me don't waste you guys time. Let me quickly show you guys why I'm selling USD card for today. So with no further ado, let's go right into the
Minutes
laptop.
time frame. Well, marked my highs, and this was my initial low here. This was my initial low, but also, guys, this low was low on the 1 hour. So if you go to the 1 hour time frame right now, you see that we also have this low here. So since the volume was so strong and price broke below this low, and we couldn't get a retest back into our entry price in our first low, we just had to enter with this low stop, still maintaining the same stops I would have used, targeting 1:2 on this trade, guys. So of course I would definitely keep you guys updated on how this trade plays out. I've followed my rules. I sent this signal on my Telegram channel, so the link to the Telegram is down below, so you guys will see how I manage this trade. Okay, so I will definitely keep you guys updated whether we hit stop loss, take profits, or break even. But if you want to see how I manage this trade, go down and click the link in the description. My Telegram channel is there. So yeah, again, I'll keep you guys updated how this trade plays out.
I was going on, yo. So today is Wednesday and I'm buying USD card. But first off, let me update you all on yesterday trade. I mean, it was 12 o'clock p.m. US time, and you guys know the drill. If you have been following this channel, you would understand the trading plan. We had to take out one position out on break even because that was where price was at when it was 12 o'clock p.m. And then before I knew it, the other position went to stop loss. I wasn't even aware. I just had to come back and check the chart and said that I've already hit stop loss on the trade. So yeah, that was this about yesterday position. But today, right now, we're buying USD card. I'm not so confident about this buy, to be honest. I am not confident about it. My system has presented it, and I don't know. It's just hitting me in my own head that I have to take this trade. My system have presented it. It doesn't matter what I think. Let me just take the trade and manage my risk and see what the outcome is. So yeah, I'm in this buys. Let me just quickly show you guys why I'm buying. Okay, let's get right in the laptop right now.
Card the 15-minute time frame. I mean, this was my high and low. This was my initial high where if price broke, I would be very, very confident about buys. But this apparently was also a high on the lower time frame from the 1 hour also. So I mean, basically price came and broke here. I'm not so confident about this trade. This trade looks like a big plus type of setup, but my system has presented the setup, so it's up to me to take the setup. So yeah, I'm in this trade, guys. Not so confident, but targeting 1:2. I'm supposed to be risking 1.5% on this one. I'm even risking 1.5% minus $10 out of that 1.5%. But it is what it is. Let's see how this trade plays out. I'll keep you guys updated for sure.
I was good, yours. So today is Thursday, and we just bought USD card. First off, let me update you all on yesterday's trade. Apparently, it got to 12 o'clock p.m. US time, and you guys know the drill. You have to follow the plan. Took out one position to reduce risk on overall trade, and then held the other position. And then for the rest of the position, it got to the end of the daily candlestick, had to take out partials like 50% of the remaining position, and then let the other position ride overnight. Stops was still a little bit in profit. It was not in break even yet, it was just reduced a little bit. And then this morning, when I checked the chart, price was still in profit, so I had to move my stop loss to break even so that I can reset my risk for today and be able to take on a trade with my full risk. Price came, took our break even, and went back in our direction. But right now we're in a buys again on USD cards. So let's see how this trade plays out. Not looking good. We're trading again on the trend ball. our system has presented us with an opportunity, so we have to take it. Let me just quickly take you guys to the laptop right now and show you guys why I am buying USD
The
card.
card 15 minutes time frame. As usual, marked the highs and then the lows and then waited for one of it to be broken. So this was yesterday position. We got taken out at break even over here this morning. But that's not what we're talking about. Let's focus on today's position. So as soon as price gave me this close, apparently it was already on my entry time when price came back in here and then gave me the close. But when it was here, it wasn't my entry time. That's why I didn't get in here. So since I saw the close above here, I got in stopped just below this same low. Now targeting 1:2. So of course I'll keep you guys updated. Let's see how this trade plays out. Happening. Update on this trade. Today is a new day. I'm looking for sales, but update on yesterday's trade, which is on Thursday. So it was around 12 o'clock p.m. US time around this point here. So immediately this candlestick closed, I took out my position just around here where this red line is, and then I left the other position to ride. Apparently price hits our take profit. So but this is a break even trade for me automatically since I took out some of my position here. So yeah, that's it for this trade. We had a loss on Tuesday, a break even on Wednesday, and then a partial on Thursday. So looking for sales today. Let's see how today plays out, guys. If we see a trade, fine and good. If we don't, fine and good. But that's the update on this trade. I'll put the screenshots of the execution around here. So let's see how today actually goes. I'll definitely keep you guys updated.
What's good, Joe? So today is Friday, and we just sold you as a card. I wasn't really expecting to trade today, but price made it back to my area of interest and gave me what I was looking for. So I'm currently on USD card sales. Let me just quickly show you guys why I sold USD card.
So
Okay,
this
let's go.
USD card, the 15 minutes time frame. Remember, this was the sales I told you guys I was interested in earlier on. So apparently, price came and then trapped in buyers, like it closed above, and then it came back and closed below my area of interest. As soon as I saw the close, waited and then got in. Now stop is just above here, targeting 1:2. So let's see how this trade plays out, guys. I'll definitely keep you guys updated. I just risked about $65 or around $70 on today's trade since it's Friday, so I'm going low risk. So definitely would keep you guys updated how this trade plays out, guys. Let's see.
What's good here? So immediately I showed you guys what I was looking for. Price went a little bit and I exited this trade. I wasn't interested in this trade anymore because it's Friday and I've kind of used it and get my objective of passing my second Naira trader phase one account. I've done that, but I don't feel like risking it this Friday, and it's already like 3:20 now right now. And today I felt like closing around 3:30. So seeing entry around this time, when will my TP hit? I don't want my mind to be in this market on Friday like this. So I'm just gonna come in next week fresh mindset, fresh everything, and then we'll see what the market has for us. The market is not going anywhere now, so there's going to be many more opportunities. If we miss this one, which it looks like we would, because the trade looks amazing, but it is what it is. If we miss this one, we'll come back next week and come do the same thing over again. Well, bye for now,
I
guys.
was great, you.
So that officially brings us to the end of this week's episode. First, before I speak any further, let me put my P and O for this week, like I always do. Well, it wasn't a bad week. More like, let's just say a break even week. But with this system, I was able to come out way profitable. Alright, so yeah. Tuesday trade was loss, but our loss was managed. This is what trade is about, risk management. If you guys don't get this part down packed, trust me, it's going to be really hard. So yeah, Tuesday was a loss, but we managed our risks well and we came out with lesser loss. Wednesday was more like break even, but it finally like played out on Thursday because we entered the trade, took out our partials, and then the last remaining position hits break even like on Thursday. And then Thursday trade, we took out one position around 12 o'clock p.m. US time. You guys know the drill. It's part of the trading plan. 12 o'clock p.m. US time. You take out one position. Like 15 minutes to the end of the daily candlestick, we take out partials and then let the other position ride. Then the next day we see how we manage the trade. But yeah, uh Thursday trade, we took out one position around 12 o'clock p.m. US time, and then the other position went to full take profits. So yeah, that put us ahead. And then Friday was a value setup, was a value breaker test setup, but I had to remind myself that there's a lot of opportunity in this market and I'm already profitable for the week. So let me just come back next week with this fresh risk. After all, I used it to like pass my phase one on another Naira trader account that I have. So I have two Naira trader accounts in phase two right now. One of them is very, very close to being funded. So with that being said, guys, make sure you guys like, subscribe, be part of this family, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next video. Don't snooze on this. Don't snooze on this journey. We're definitely, definitely heading for the stars, and just wait till the star gravity pulls us in. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now, guys. Peace out.